Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so standby works predictably. Make sure the device is plugged in or the battery is above 20% because standby may fail on low power. Save and close apps that block sleep. This prevents data loss and hung processes. Once done, find the physical power or dedicated standby button or open the system power menu in settings. Press lightly first to trigger the menu. You are preparing the device to enter standby without interrupting background tasks. You now execute the core transition into standby. From the power menu, choose standby, sleep, or suspend depending on your system. That tells hardware to reduce power while preserving state. After selecting, give background tasks about 15 to 30 seconds to complete writes and network handshakes so you avoid corruption. Make sure to watch status indicators. The screen should dim, LEDs may change color, and fans slow. If those signals appear, the device is actively shifting into low power mode as intended. Finish by confirming how you will wake the device and securing it if necessary. You should test the designated wake method. Press the power button, tap a key, or wait for the scheduled wake to ensure restoration of your session. If you require security, enable password on wake so unauthorized users cannot access your data. If the device won't enter standby, check power settings and update device drivers. Often a rogue driver or incorrect sleep timeout blocks standby. That single troubleshooting step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.